Hey, what is up guys, how's it up here? And today we're going to be talking about the brand new Android 10 release which OnePlus has released for the OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 5T, and this is the stable version. So without any further ado, let's actually get into this and check out the all new features. So let's actually go ahead and check out what has changed in this new update for the OnePlus 5 and the OnePlus 5T. So as you can see, the system has been upgraded to Android 10. It has a brand new UI design and stuff. And you can also customize. They've also added new customization features. So let me just go ahead and walk you through those. So if I go ahead and go to the settings, you'll be able to see that there's this new customization tab. So if I go in that, you can see that I have these different features which were already present before, but now they've made it easier for us, and they've basically added everything in one single page. So you can see I can change almost anything from this page, and I can also change these icons. So I can basically change the shape of these quick toggle icons, and I can also change the color of these. So all of that happens over here. I can change the shape. So if I go ahead and change the shape to square and then apply, so let me just show it to you guys. Oh, it takes the time to update. Yeah, so there you go. So it has all changed to square, and I don't really like square, I like round. So yeah, that's how you can change the shape of the buttons and stuff. So let's actually go ahead and check out the other features that they've added. So as you can see, they've also added this thing called game space. So this is basically a space where all of your games live on your device. So if I go on and search for game space, so you can see that there's this new option called game space, and I can basically go into that, and it will show me all the games that I have on my device. And by default, as soon as you basically open this game space, it turns on the gaming mode, as you can see here. And you can also turn on the Fnatic mode right from here, and all the games which you open from now will have the Fnatic mode enabled. So this is a nice little addition, I believe, and you basically have all your games in one place, and you can add the games from this icon right here. Oops. You can add the games from that icon there, and you also have this. You can basically change how you look at the games, like a list or like this. So yeah, you can add games, and this is what the game space is. So let's move on to the next feature that we have here, and this message blocking thing is just if you use any other messaging apps apart from the default apps, you probably already have this feature. So let's just skip that and move on to these full screen gestures. This, I believe, is one of the biggest features, the biggest new features that they've added. So this is basically a complete overhaul on the pre-existing navigation system. So if I basically go on here and search for gestures, so if I search for gestures and I basically move on to navigation gestures, so you can see that they've added this one new gesture. So with the help of this, what you can basically do is you get this bar right here, and for going back you can basically swipe from the right or swipe from the left. Now this already exists on some of the MI phones, so you might be familiar with this already, but this is the new thing that they've added. And for going home, you basically do that, and for getting recent apps, you do this. So this is the new navigation gesture that they've added, and this is the biggest update, I believe, in the overall thing. And also the UI updates are actually quite prominent. And that's it. These are the things that they've added. And there's another camera update which isn't really out yet, and as they've mentioned, this will be pushed in later stabler versions. So as of now, this is it. This is all we have. And that was it, guys. So please do make sure that you leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and leave your thoughts down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.